Hey everybody, welcome to another video. My name is Lori and welcome to my life. Today I have the Allure Beauty box for June. Stay tuned. This is a beauty box for $15 a month, and you get 5 either deluxe samples, sometimes regular samples, and sometimes you get 1 or 2 full-size items in it. So let's see what I got. I get mine off of Amazon. So you can go to Amazon, like I'm a Prime member, and you can look up subscription boxes for Allure, and they will do it every month for you. So I do that. Okay, this is my pamphlet that we get. So inside the box, it's going to give you a pamphlet. And inside the pamphlet is the items that are inside of your box. So they will explain more about the item, what the item does, and the retail value of each item. So let's see what I got. So it looks like, okay, let me show you the inside of my box. So this is my box, and I do see 1 full-size product right here, and there might be some more in there, so I'm going to see what we got. Excited. Okay, so let me go ahead and put this to the side, and then we'll pull it up. So behind the scenes, you don't see this because I edited out or shut off my video and re-put the video back on. So I had to make sure of which way I put this. So I wanted to make sure that it was where you guys could see it. Let me go ahead around here. It is Pure Elise. It is a watermelon scrub. So it says it cleanses, makeup, brightens, and energizes skin. So this looks like a full-size product. So let me open it up and we'll see. Yeah, definitely full-size product. So that's kind of amazing to get in a sample box for $15. This alone is $18. So I'm really looking forward to trying this one. It's watermelon, it says, and I love the scent of watermelon. Now it still has, it has the thing on, so I can't open it. I have another one that I got the other day in my BOXYCHARM, I think, or IPSY. And I already opened that one. So we'll save this one and we will try it though. And I'll come back and let you guys know. So let's look at the next item. Okay, the next item is a lip oil and it's made by Yensa. So I have lip oil that I carry with me every day. Wearing a mask every day in my office, it totally dries out my lips. So I put this pink lip oil on it, and it's almost gone. So this one, I don't think it's the same brand, but it looks a lot like it. Oh, gotta try it. Let me look. It doesn't really leave color. So just a lip oil. Oh, excited about this. This is a $28 value. And that's a regular size too. So here's the next item. Definitely doesn't look, it looks like a sample size. Let's see if I can open it at all. There's a little bit of a scent to it. Let me see what it is. Okay, so I took a picture of this page also. So this little magazine comes in so handy. I wish I could read it all to you, but it's very difficult for me to read out loud. So I will tell you what I do see. It says Bee Leaf. So it looks like it's an aloe vera gel. It is hydrating. I'm wondering if you can use that like after you get out of the water, sunning, and let's try it. On the beach or something. Yeah, it kind of smells like aloe vera and it's very soft. It's like it disappears into your skin. So I like that. I always can take this stuff when I travel. Okay, so what do we have here? They are nails. That might work for someone who doesn't ever do their nails, right? Just for when I'm going to a special occasion, I guess. I'll open up these later, but I'll let you know how much they are worth. So price on those is $9. I think it has a couple sets, but they're like a neutral color. Let's see, I can take them out the bottom. Whether I'm gonna get them back in later, that's another story. Let's see. There you go. I wanted to kind of show you without the plastic in the way. They're like stickers for your nails. So let me see. Oh, so cute. Look. So those are really cute. We can try those. Those were $9 retail value. Then I have Gold Black Pearl eye mask. It does say it is $69 for, I'm sure, more than this. There's only one in here. Oh, here it is. So this is that one for the eyes. And then it looks like there's something else down here. Okay, hard to get that one out of there. Okay, it looks like it's a different mask. It has a little container or something right there too. You see? Okay, so that one is the Star Skin 100% Camellia, and it says it's nourishing and brightening sheet mask. See how much they charge for those. Price is $10. So that was this one. Okay, so I will show you the items that I got in my box. We'll go back over it real quick. And I think that this box was worth $15 because I did get 2 full-size products in here. And sometimes you don't get full-size products. You get like deluxe samples, which are bigger than a regular sample, which I love anyway because I take those to travel. So there's this sheet mask and this eye mask. So that's 2 items. I'm thinking they may end up going into the giveaway. I have some sheet masks I haven't used yet. So this right here is the aloe gel. So I will definitely take that with me when we're traveling or out in the sun for any period of time. Oh, and I'm dropping everything. Okay, so there's the nails, which I have no idea how to do, but I will figure it out. Got a daughter. Ah, I didn't see it came with a file. So there's a file for that. Cute, cute. And the lip oil and the face cleanser. So these 2 items are way more worth than the $15 I paid for the box, because the lip oil alone was $28. This one was $18. So I definitely saved money and I have new products to try. So I enjoy getting my Allure box every time it comes because you never know what's going to be in there. And I think this is my 3rd one. I haven't got anything bad in any of my boxes at all. I've gotten everything that I've liked or wanted to try. So it's been a great box for me. You know, it's a little bit lower price than IPSY and BOXYCHARM, but it's still just for the how much you're paying for it, you're getting a bang for your buck, definitely. So I'm glad that you guys were here watching. Hello to my subscribers and hello to those who are not subscribed yet. If you like this kind of content, please click the subscribe button, the bell, and then the like button. I really, really appreciate it. my channel does travel. My channel also does lifestyle, unboxings, reviews, and weekly vlogs, and anything else I guess I feel like putting out. I am legally blind, so I do things a little differently than everybody else does. So you will see when I'm looking at the camera, it may not look like I'm looking at the camera to you, but I see the camera in that direction because of where I can see out of my eyes. I have little pinholes of light in one eye, and then the other eye I can see some things, but I also can't look the same way you look at things because it's just different for me. So live life with me. That's why I call it Lorrie's Life. I think my life, of course, is probably not the most exciting life, but when we travel, I would love to take you with me. I would love to take you with me to just see how I live my life. So once again, thank you. And I will see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.